For week 3, our fill is containing 16th notes. We're going to be playing 4 16th notes on the snare, 4 on the high tom, 4 on the medium tom, and 4 on the lower tom. Again, our sticking is just right, left, right, left. We're now going to put it into a groove setting, 1 bar groove, 1 bar fill. In this next example, we are playing the exact same sticking and we're playing the exact same amount of notes. However, we are now getting a bit creative of where we are placing these notes. Instead of 4 on each drum, we're now going to play 2 on the snare, 2 on the high tom, 2 on the snare, 2 on the high tom, 4 on the medium tom, and 4 on the floor tom. Slowly. And again. Same as before, now we're going to put it in a groove setting, 1 bar groove, 1 bar fill. Final example is a little bit more tricky. We're now, instead of playing 2 notes here and 2 notes there, we're going to play 1 in different areas. The first 4 beats, we're going to play 1 on the floor tom, 2 on the snare, and 1 on the high tom. Meaning floor tom with our right hand, high tom with our left. After this, we then have 2 notes on the snare, followed by a floor tom and 1 more on the snare. Putting those 2 together, we have this. Followed then by 1 more on the snare, 1 on the high tom, 2 more on the snare. From the top. If you can see from the example, it leaves us 4 more notes, which we are going to play 4 on the floor tom. The overall fill sounds like this. And again.